Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will talk about Call of Duty mobile loadouts. So, this is what you see when you click on loadout button in COD mobile menu. We have 5 buttons top of your screen. I will show you what they are, and why you need those. First button on the top left with flag icon is multiplayer mode loadouts. It means you need this loadouts just for multiplayer mode. Then second button with hand icon is for zombie mode, and third one with airdrop icon is for battle royale mode. You can change cars and other stuff about battle royale just right here. I will explain about all of these options you don't know. But we need to move step by step for new players who didn't play online games before. Okay. We are now in fourth button with like or thumb icon. This icon is for winner emotes and paint sprays in game. You can use multiple emotes and sprays in the games. You can buy some of emotes in store and many of them in crates or lucky wheels. And the last one. Last button with backpack icon is your inventory. You can see in the video, things you will receive in inventory. Now, we can go back and start for explaining from multiplayer loadouts. When you click left side rectangle it will be open and you can see all of guns there. And there will be all your weapons and skins you owned with level up or crates or rank up. So you can equip guns and your own skins right there. And on the bottom of guns, you can see knife. So here is you can choose your secondary weapon and skins. Secondary weapons in COD is pistol, knife and FMJ gun. Don't worry, if you don't know what is FMJ. Because I will explain all the guns which need to explain for beginners in next videos. Now on the right of your screen. First rectangle is for operators. If you don't know about operators, they are different soldiers with different looks. So you can earn some of them free and many of them from battle pass or crates or lucky wheels. They have no effect to the gameplay and just for fun, looking different and better from others. And also you can equip them for all the Call of Duty mobile modes, Battle Royale, Zombie, Multiplayer. Now we are on the operator skills. Operator skills are so useful in the game and you can use skills just in multiplayer right now. But COD developers will make skills usable in Battle Royale too soon. So you really need to learn skills fast, because you need skills all around the game. Don't worry about it. In next videos I will talk about skills and help you to learn skills fast. There is 9 skills available right now and more is being added to the game. And now we are on the lethal and tactical part. In this 2 parts we can equip all different grenades and trip mines for to use in the multiplayer game mode. So, now we are in important part of multiplayer mode loadout. And it is perks part. Perks are so much important in the game and if you want to be pro, then you really need to know use it how, when, with which loadout gun operator skill and which map. I think now you understand how important perk is, so wait for my next videos and share this video with your friends don't know about perks.